Brought to you by JEGS.
I'm going to go ahead and get these installed on this truck, give it a much needed upgrade on its stance. Hey guys, Dan from Mishimoto. Today we're going to talk about our Borne off-road, hub-centric, wheel-centric spacers. These are application-specific. Today we're going to go ahead and install it on one of our Broncos. So I know with wheel spacers, safety tends to come up as far as, how strong are they? So these are forged aluminum, which is much stronger than just standard like a billet aluminum. It's also going to be much more resistant to fatigue, so taking off-road shouldn't have any problem. Not to mention, we are also using a higher strength steel stud. Another factor when shopping for wheel spacers is finding ones that are hub-centric and wheel-centric. So what that means is that the inside diameter of the hub on the spacer matches up with the hub on your vehicle. So the key reason for this is ensuring that any of your load from your wheel is being acted onto the hub and not onto the lug nuts. Also, that helps with when you're installing your tire, when you're installing your wheels, everything lines up real nice. You're not going to have any sort of feeling of something being out of balance or not put on correctly. Everything's going to feel just like it was without the spacers. The front of the spacer has the same geometry as what the hub does. So that's the second part that allows the wheel to mount up just as nicely as it would as if it was going onto the hub. Like most of the products we sell, these wheel spacers come with a lifetime warranty. For more information about wheel spacers and why you would run them, check out the link below to our blog.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.